Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss an important topic of grammar, that is modal. Okay, so let's start. In this class, we will see the definition, structure, and the uses of modal verbs. Okay, first of all, we have to see the definition. As written here, a modal verb is a type of auxiliary verb that is used to indicate modality, that is likelihood, ability, permission, possibility, etc. In short, we can say a special type of auxiliary verb is called modals. What is the meaning of modality? Modality means speciality. Suppose any word is there, okay, it contains some specific features in that. For examples, he can work. Like here, two of my friends can play guitar. The words can is an example of modal. Can is the word which is the playing the role of ability, which means ability, and it also play the role of helping verb. तो ये स्पेशलिटी है या नहीं है? So those speciality, those verbs which in itself capable to show any specific like any modality, like likelihood, ability, permission, possibility, etc., that is called modals. Understood? So this definition, or you can write a special type of helping verb is called modals. Okay, so in this class, in uses of modals, you have to focus on the those speciality. Okay, means the word is there, and whatever the speciality, whatever the ability they have, you have to read those qualities of that particular words. Okay, so let's move further. These are the list of modal verbs: can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, ought to, must. Okay, let us discuss it. This is the structure. I must go to sleep. We can drink some water. You should eat. Okay, leave it. The very first quality is that modal verbs do not add s or es to the third person singular. Like he does होता है, he do नहीं होता है, ठीक है, लेकिन हम ही कैंस नहीं लिखते हैं. जो भी वर्ड्स होता है कैन, कुड या एस या ई एस का यूज़ हम नहीं करते हैं. ओके, सिंगुलर के साथ, ठीक है. मतलब ये तो है वर्ब, लेकिन इसके हेल्पिंग, यहाँ पे ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब का भी रोल प्ले कर रहा है और एबिलिटी का भी रोल प्ले कर रहा है. सो एस इज एंड ई एस is not going to add with third person singular. The very first rule. एडिटिंग और ओमिशन में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि जैसे शुड के शुड्स होगा, ठीक है, विल का विल्स हो गया, तो वहाँ पे ये ध्यान मत लगाइएगा सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट का रूल कि सिंगुलर पर्सन के साथ थर्ड पर्सन के साथ हम उसका यूज़ करते हैं. सो ये ही कैन स्विम टोटली रॉन्ग है. ही कैन स्विम इज द राइट सेट. सो इन एवरी मॉडल एस इज नॉट, और एस और ई एस इज not used. Okay, these are the modal verbs. Example: simple, perfect, perfect continuous, continuous. Okay, now modal verbs does not need auxiliaries to form negative and question. This is also important in forming the negative, okay, or question. This is not going to do. Like she should stay, she should not stay. Okay, why should she stay? Like means when we are doing any type of conversion, we don't need to do this type of thing. That is the matter of means that is the matter of transformation. Okay, modal verbs don't have infinitives or ing form. इसके infinitives और ing फॉर्म भी नहीं होते हैं. ओके, Now the most important thing is that the uses of modal verbs. How we are going to use the modal verbs, that is very very important. Can, I have told you in the definition part, it gives the specificity. Okay, some specific, this word contains some speciality. What are those speciality? This word is saying that, like modality, like can in itself show the ability, possibility, impossibility, asking for permission, request. It show the ability and possibility. Like for example, they can control their one work. Okay, we can't fix it. Asking for permission, can I bring here? If you have to ask any permission, you will ask, can I go? Can I bring? Can I take? Sometimes for request also, can is used. Okay, can you help me? This is the request. Okay, so you can take write this note. This is the noted point. Okay, let's move further. Just a minute. Could. Could is called the past form of the can. It is also used in permission, request, possibility, future, ability. The example has been, for the permission, could I borrow your dictionary? Could you? I borrow your dictionary? For the request, could you say it again more slowly? Possibility, I think we should have another tea. Possibility, there is a chance. Okay. Future, I wish Cinderella Coconut could meet me next week. Means this is my wish, could meet. Okay, ability, he gave up his old job so he could work for us. Understood? The second and third may. Actually, don't be confused here. Permission used for the can also and permission is used for the may also. सेम पर्सन की भी एबिलिटी अलग होती है, तो वर्ड्स में भी यहाँ पे एबिलिटी अलग अलग होती है. वी आर नॉट टेलिंग कि इट गिव्स द फैक्ट. ओके, सो फॉर द परमिशन वी ऑल्सो आस्क द यूज द वर्ड मे आई एम कमिंग, मे आई कमिंग, द मोस्ट फेवरेबल वर्ड्स फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दैट पॉसिबिलिटी, for the possibility, for the chance also, I may finish my homework. We can say half possibility जहाँ रहती है, there is a little chance. Okay, means हो भी सकता है या नहीं भी हो सकता. Suppose you are asking for something, may I take? It depends on me. I will give you permission or not. Okay, so may is there. I may take a class. Means there is a doubt. For doubt also you can write doubt also, doubt also we can use the words might. Okay, after that might, that is the second or past form of the may. For the possibility use, okay, we would better phone tomorrow, they might be eating their dinner now. Actually we are thinking कि this may might be possible, this is going to be chance. So for the possibility, when we are not sure, we use may or might. May or might. In the situation of unsure, okay, we have to use may or might. Next is ought to. Ought to used when we have to say that is right or not. Means where is a chance of true and false, right or correct. Where there is a chance of the thing is right. Okay, next obligations. She could ought to finish by next week. Means there is a correction, there is a right chance. Okay, now for shall I help you with your luggage? When we offer something, we use shall. For the suggestion also, shall is going to use. As in example, you see, shall we say 2:30 then? Permission, shall I do that or you will do. Means in optional permission you have to use shall. After that should is used for the possibility, and when we are going to think anything better, then we have to use should. Okay. After that, in will, that is for the futurity. Okay, for making the decision, I can't see any taxes, so I will walk. Okay, means decision, in many decision, as you are not responding, I will stop the class. Means due to this will happen. Due to some reason you will not come today, you will not come tomorrow. Okay, that is the, for making the decision you have to use the word will. Okay, offer, when you are going to offer something, I will do that for you if you like. when you offer that कि मैं तुम्हारे लिए ये करूँगा, कहीं ना कहीं ये कीवर्ड है फ्यूचरिटी के लिए, फ्यूचर में आप जो भी करना चाहते हैं. You have to note this point, FUTURITY. Okay, in these slides everything is not giving. For that you have to read margin. Okay, for the making the promise also, I will come back on Monday. Means futurity, when you are making the promise, you will use the word will. Would is also used for granting permission. Like, would you mind if I brought a friend with me? Means anyhow we are going to asking the permission. Okay, in a conditional permission the would is used. You just write conditional permission में would का यूज होता है. For request also the would is used. Would you mind waiting a moment? Okay, for invitation also would is going to be used. Would you like to play basketball this Friday? Okay, so this is the all about the models. Okay, I suggest you to see the Rain Martin book. Okay, whatever the rules have been given there, जो भी रूल्स उसमें दिए हैं उसको आप पढ़िए थोड़ा सा, ठीक है. और उसके रूल्स से अकॉर्डिंग हम कुछ चीज़ें डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. ओके, सो दिस इज़ एनफ फॉर टुडे. ओके, थैंक यू.